Doesn't it look
Is that
gross?
good? Can't tell if you like it.
It just looks
You
so.
don't really
It looks.
like it.
No, it's like juicing stuff all over her. Looks like she's eating a little baby
I
alien.
think the best part is it looks like she's not enjoying it, but she doesn't know what to do.
Yeah.
Like, do I continue eating it? Do I pick it up? No?
Like it, Lily?
No.
Like it?
Here we are. Just so you know, there's a survey that you can take online to talk about your service for your day.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, she really likes it now. Look at. She just stuffed it all in her mouth. They're gonna be like, what is your kid eating right now? No way, dude. Don't touch my phone.
Hey, what, Auntie? It's just mushrooms. Oh.
You love it? She threw it on the ground.
Uh-oh, awesome.